Hi, guys. My name is Kayla Rose. I am on a mission to help everyone be successful. So, I have some notes here, and I'm going to share with you how you can become a published author in the next 30 days without paying thousands of dollars. For the record, I am no professional. I am just a mom to 6 amazing kids who has published books, has started a podcast, and now I'm on a mission to start a community to help everybody succeed. I want to see no one fail. I want to see everyone succeed in life. I want to see people propel past what they ever thought they could and live out their God given purpose. So, today we are going to start with how we can be an author. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to write, edit, and publish your book on Amazon step by step. I'm a mom to 6. When I began, I had literally had no money, and I was sitting there like, I want to write a book. I want to start a website. I want to find ways to earn money from home without robbing the bank because, well, I still had to pay bills and I had to provide for my children. I had to provide for my family. And at the time, my husband was the only one working outside the home, and I was a stay-at-home mom. And I didn't really know what to do or how I was going to do it, but I knew I was going to find a way. So I ended up taking a lot of workshops, like attending lots of workshops. I ended up using AI to learn things that I didn't even know that I could learn. I built my confidence. I had people just breathing life into me and showing me. I took classes got certified on being an NLP coach, and it took me a lot to get to the point where I thought, you know what? I was my own worst enemy. I was judging myself. I was going, oh, this isn't going to work. I was stopping myself. I let fear, what if Billy or Bob or George doesn't like what I'm doing? I let all of these things get in my way, and that is the worst thing you can do. You will stop yourself. The enemy will get in your head, plant lies in your head, and you will not believe in yourself anymore. You have to believe in you first. You have to say, screw it. I don't care what anybody thinks. I'm going to do this, and I don't care if I have no followers, because eventually you will. Eventually people will be like, wow, she did it with nobody, and she kept going and kept pushing and kept pushing until she succeeded. And that's exactly what I'm here to help you do. I'm here to create a community, faith, purpose, and freedom. You can find me on Facebook. It's a free group, and I'm going to be posting things in there. I'm going to be helping people. I want everyone encouraging each other. And if I can do it, I promise you anyone can do it. So let's get started. The phrase, the rich get richer, the poor get poorer, that is like a phrase I hate because it is true in many ways. However, it was true until AI became a thing. And it was true until online became a thing, because now we have an online community where you can learn, you can Google. If you know how to read and you know how to type and you know how to ask a question, you can learn anything you want to learn in the online world. I don't care what it is. You want to start a podcast? Go do it, because AI can walk you step by step. You want to write a book? Do it, because AI can walk you step by step without paying someone thousands of dollars. Anything you want to do, you can do simply by researching. And I homeschool and I teach my kids this. There's nothing in this world you can't do. YouTube has videos on everything. You can find anything on YouTube. Look it up and you'll find it and you'll be able to do it. So, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer? Not no more. The poor now have ways to start gaining extra money. And it may not be a flood of financial abundance at first, or it might be. You never know. But God is in your corner. And what the enemy meant for evil, God will turn for good. Live out your God-given purpose and don't give up. So let's jump in. Days 1 through 15, you're going to write. Days 16 to 20, you're going to edit with AI, but it's all going to be your words. You're only allowing AI to help you make it better and edit it correctly. Days 21 to 25, you're going to be formatting. You're going to be working on getting those pages exactly how you want them and need them in your book. Days 26 through 30, you're going to be publishing it on KDP. Kindle Direct Publishing works directly with Amazon. And through that, you can upload your book, you can create your cover, you can do all the things you need to do, and then you upload it to KDP, And now you can publish and be a published author right on Amazon.com and sell your book to millions of people, billions. So this isn't about perfection. It is about consistency. You must be consistent, not perfect. Nobody's perfect, actually. I would rather read an imperfect book every day than read someone's book who paid thousands and thousands of dollars for someone else to do it for them. So if you write a chapter a day for 15 days, don't overthink it. Just get your story, get your knowledge, whatever you're writing about out there. Think about what you want to write about and just start writing. That's the best thing you can do. And for 15 days, you're going to write one chapter a day. Like, this is my chapter 1. This is what I'm going to write, and start writing it. Speak it. If it's hard for you to start writing it, get on your phone and just start recording your voice and just speak into it. And then you can start typing it out into a Word document. Play it back to yourself and type it out into a Word document. If you work better handwriting, handwrite it and then come back into the computer and type it out. You're going to want to keep it all in one place, one document, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, because remember, this is just first draft. We're going to finalize that and we're going to fix it later. And we're going to format everything. So remember, done is better than perfect. So as long as you're getting it done each day, that's all that matters. Next, after those 15 days, we're going to use AI to edit it. So what you're going to do is you're going to say to AI, you're going to type in, help me write chapter 1 of my book, edited and perfected. Don't leave out any of my details. And you're going to repeat that for every chapter, but you're going to copy and paste what you're supposed to be your chapter 1 right into AI. It's going to perfect it and format it for you. Now you're going to go highlight and delete your chapter 1 writing, and you're going to copy and paste what AI wrote into your chapter 1 section. And you're going to redo that each way. It's a lot of back and forth. It is, but you can do it. You can do it. I promise. And you're just going to go through and do that. So one detail I forgot is you can actually type this into any Word document on your computer, any program. You can use Google Docs, Microsoft Word, any of them, and save them. If you don't have Microsoft Word works best. It's going to transfer over so much easier, and it's easier to come back and forth and fix. But if you don't have Microsoft Word, do not stress out. You don't have to go pay a lot of money to have that. All you have to do is save it into a PDF, and I promise you, I'm going to teach you exactly how to figure out how to do that, step-by-step directions. Anyway, so you're going to go through, you're going to do every one of your chapters. And just remember, AI enhances your voice. It's not replacing it. It's not replacing your words. It's just enhancing it. It's just making it a little bit better. So utilize AI to also write your author page, a Dear Reader page, and you can add 1 or 2 forewords. Find a friend, find another person that's an author, find a community like I've created, Faith, Purpose, and Freedom, and, post in there because I will happily approve it. I'm looking for someone to write a foreword for my book. This is what my book's about, and we'd all be happy. Reach out to me. I'd be happy to write a foreword for your book. So next, you're going to start formatting your book. And this is where you're going to, have your title page. And I always say you want to look at the book. So your title page, flip it over. This back side's going to be blank. Now this side, you're going to have your About the Author page. Flip it over. This side's going to be blank. Now you're going to have your dedication page or whatever it might be. Flip it over. Now you're going to have your foreword. Flip it over. Now you're going to have chapter 1. And then you're going to start typing. Some people want to leave the back side of chapter 1 blank and start on this side. That's fine too, because you're going to have more pages in your book that way. And then you're going to start writing and then flip it over. And you always want to start your chapters on this side. So just get a book out is what I did. I got a book out and I flipped through the book and I wrote that way. And that's how I formatted my book, because I knew, okay, I need this page here. And then as you flip through it, it makes it easier as you're looking at the computer. So anyhow, you're going to use AI to guide the formatting. So you're going to type into AI, tell me exactly how to size my document for KDP using whatever tool. So if you're using Microsoft Word, blah, 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 for the size of the book. So if you're doing like a 5x9 book, you're going to want to adjust your margins and your spacing and your page sizing for that size of the book. And you'll have some blank pages in between. There's no right or wrong way, but I'm just showing you my way and telling you my way of doing it. So now you're going to go create your KDP account if you haven't already. That's Kindle Direct Publishing. You're going to create your account, and then at the top, you're going to click, it says create. It's like got a little plus sign and it says create. You're going to click that. You're going to start filling in all the details, your title of your book, the description of your book. Use AI to write your description. AI's already helped you the whole process. They know what your book's about. AI is really smart. So now you can use AI to write your description, and it's going to put in keywords. It's going to help you with algorithms. Use AI and just type in like, help me so that my book ranks well with algorithms and keywords in the search engines. And you're going to fill in all the spots. And this is going to help with your optimization also. And search engine optimization is awesome. AI can help you with every detail of it. It's amazing. So now you're going to also use AI to save your document as a PDF. You're going to just put in there whatever program you're using. And then you're just going to say like, hey, AI, can you help me to save my document as a PDF to transfer it to KDP? I am using this program, and it's going to give you step-by-step directions, help you save it as the PDF so you can upload it right to KDP. So once you've created your book cover, you can use Canva, you can use ChatGPT to create an image for your book cover if you'd like, or they have already pre-selected covers in KDP, and you can utilize those also. And so now you're going to want to preview it. You're going to check your text alignment, check the spacing, and each page of your book. You're going to want to be careful and go through this. And you may have to go back and forth a little bit. You might have to fix some things. And that's the part that causes, like, you must have patience to do it. But you can do it. I promise, if I can do it, you can do it. I did it, you can do it. I help my children both publish books. I'm helping another child publish a book. She has it written. We're in the editing stages. I'm working on another book right now. And I've published 3 of my own books on Amazon. I promise you, you got this. And I'm a liar. I have actually published 4 books on Amazon. So anyway, you'll use KDP then and publish your book. You're literally going to have publish. Now it's going to take you to another page. You're going to create your pricing and everything else. And then you're going to publish that book. It does take like 24 to 48 hours or 24 to 72. I could be lying. Hours for your book to go through all the processes and be approved. And once you get that approval, you can start sharing your book. Now, here's the really cool part. If you're wanting to get people to review your book, come to our free community and just say, hey, I'm looking for a few people to read the first couple chapters of my book and review it. You provide those first few chapters. You just send everybody a PDF file and they can read those first few chapters of your book. And then they can go to Amazon and review it for you. How awesome is that? And so now you have some reviews on Amazon. That's building you up and pushing you up in the algorithms. And then you can have people share it on social media. Here's another cool little part for you. Now you're going to go to Amazon.com. You're going to sign up to be an Amazon associate. What this means is now when you go to your Amazon page, there will be a little thing up in the corner that says get link. And you can get the link to your book. And now you're going to earn not only the commission from KDP for your book, but you're also going to earn Amazon affiliate commission, 10% commission for each time your book is purchased. And the cool part of that is, so if someone has $500 in their cart and they add your book to their cart and they check out that entire cart at once, now you're earning 10% of the entire cart commission, all because you shared your affiliate link. So that's just like another way to earn a little extra money. And you know what? The online world has so much opportunity, and we have to be willing to just jump out there, put ourselves out there and go for it. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. Say, I got this. You can do this. And remember, your story matters. Someone is literally waiting to read it, to hear it. You don't need permission from anyone to become an author. You don't need a professional. You do not need someone who's rich. You have the ability. And here we create a community of people that love, support, and encourage one another. We want to see everyone succeed, not just people up here. I want to see everyone succeed. So if you want help writing your book, drop a comment or message me. And also, next month, I will be announcing, I'm working on it. I'm going to run a 30-day workshop where even myself is going to work on writing a new book. And we are going to go through 30 days of writing a book, sharing with each other. I'll do a video each day of like the processes and just encouraging, holding each other accountable, helping each other, guiding each other. And then we'll review each other's books on Amazon, and we will share each other's books, and we are going to build one another up. We are going to encourage one another, and we are going to succeed together. So please join my free community, share this, and join my community for more ways. I'm going to be sharing details on how to start podcasts, how to start a blog, affiliate marketing, just the different things we can do. And, you know, the ways we can succeed together, because we want everyone to succeed. I love you all. May God bless each and every one of you. Remember, you have a God-given purpose. What the enemy meant for evil, God is going to turn for good. Tell your story, tell your testimony. It matters, and it's about to save a life. God bless you all.